There's a buddy right here. Can you say hi? Can you get some kisses? There's a kisses for the buddy. You're such a handsome buddy. You're so handsome. Yes, you are. Oh, thank you for the kisses. What a good birdie you are. You're so pretty. You're just a pretty birdie. Kitty bitty birdie. Kitty bitty birdie birdie boy, hey? Just right you are. He's usually like this in the morning. And then in the evening, this is really weird. He's usually not like this in the evening. He's usually a lot more. I kind of just spit in his face a little. And oh, he likes it. This is us making out. Those are his kisses, by the way. He's imitating the... Yep. Give me the kisses, buddy. You're a pretty birdie boy. You're being so friendly today. Did you have a good day, buddy? Just having a good day. There it goes. Dang, oh, just shaking them tail feathers at you. Book. All right. I guess you can go back to your castle. He's got quite the little castle. If you haven't seen it, if you follow me on Instagram, I've got pictures posted of it there.